Hi, I'm Adam with TechTerra Education, and today I'm going to talk to you about our STEM in a Box programs. STEM in a Box programs are turnkey STEM solutions with everything you need for this year and the next years to come: curriculum and activities, hands-on tools, and ongoing training. These are for pre-K through high school, and we have year-round and theme-based programs for inside and outside the school day. Teaching and learning resources include standards-aligned curriculum, slide decks for every lesson, and a digital resources portal with student workbooks, rubrics, progress trackers, scheduling and pacing guides, and more. As a bonus, we include printed STEM activity cards, 50 for every grade level. Our heavy-duty, long-lasting STEM tools are not one-and-done consumables or expensive refresh kits to buy. These are for a full classroom of up to 30 students, and they're organized to explore the world of STEM with robotics, circuitry, coding, stop-motion animation, and more. We include live, ongoing training for your staff and team with a real human. Contact us to learn more. info@techterraeducation.com, or use this QR code to schedule a personal consultation now.